Today we're going to learn how to create a legend in Revit, and more specifically for us, we're going to learn how to create a legend for, say, our lighting plan or a reflected ceiling plan, as it's also called. So like with anything in Revit, there are more ways of doing one thing. So I will show you how to create a legend both ways. So the first way to create a legend would be to go up to your upper tab here and look for the tab that says View. You'll notice that we've been spending a lot of our time in this area. And more specifically, you should see a button up here that says Legends. Once you have located that, go ahead and just click the arrow, drop down so we can see our different options. Now you'll notice that Revit gives us two different options of creating two very different legends. One would be a regular legend that's basically a list of annotations that we've used. And then another one, a keynote plan, would be a legend where we elaborate on different keynotes that we have numbered throughout the plan. So for us, we are just focused on creating a regular typical legend, and so we want to click the first option. Now from there, Revit will prompt you to name your legend and set a scale for it. I'm going to name this one RCP Legend. And then the scale, mine was at 1/8, yours might be at 1/4. Let's go ahead and make that 1/8 scale, knowing that we can always adjust it later and then hit OK. Now from there, you might feel like nothing really happened because a white screen has now appeared, but it did. If you notice at the top, we are now in a tab that has the name of our legend, and think of all of this white space as our drafting area. So we will use a series of lines now and families to add into the legend. Let me show you the other way that you can create a legend. If you locate your project browser, find until you see the word legends and select that and then right click. Now you'll notice that it gives us all of the same different options as did the View tab. So we have either a new legend or a keynote legend. If you select new legend, it walks you through that same process. So those are the two ways that you can create a legend in Revit.